Colorado Springs is a traveler's destination. We have Garden of the Gods, the majestic Pikes Peak, Manitou Springs, and the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. In addition to these treasures, there are many lesser-known gems in the city. In this series, Randy and I will go slightly off the beaten path and explore these lesser-known treasures. Let's go. Just east of I-25 on Uinta is the former Van Briggle Pottery Factory. Artus Van Briggle was the founder of one of America's most highly acclaimed pottery companies. He was originally from Ohio and began his career as a painter, hand-painting designs on pottery and painting portraits. He studied art in Europe and was already an accomplished artist when he arrived in Colorado Springs in 1899. He opened Van Briggle Pottery in Colorado Springs and perfected a beautiful matte-glazed pottery that would earn him numerous awards and accolades. In 1902, he married Anne, an accomplished artist in her own right, and they collaborated on the design and production of the pottery. Sadly, in June of 1904, at the age of 35, Artus died from tuberculosis. His wife, Anne, continued the work her husband started and opened the Van Briggle Memorial Pottery Factory in 1908. The visually stunning building looks much like it did in the early 1900s. The red brick walls are accented with decorative tiles and terracotta ornaments. There are 5 brick chimneys and 2 large brick smokestacks. There are decorative panels and fun accents all over the structure. Anne sold the business in 1912, and there were several different owners who continued to make Van Briggle-style pottery until 2012. In 1968, Colorado College bought the building, and it now houses faculty services for the school. The former factory is located near Monument Creek and Monument Valley Park. One of Artus Van Briggle's most famous creations was the Lorelei vase. It had a figure of a woman blending into the top. In the garden next to the factory, there's a Lorelei vase sculpture as a tribute to the Van Briggles. Although the Van Briggle Art Pottery Company is no longer producing pieces, there are treasures all over Colorado Springs. Randy and I found these beautiful Van Briggle vases at a garage sale, which was a real score. And Molly guards them. You can identify Van Briggle work by their company logo, 2 A's framed by a square. The A's are the first letters of the founders' names, Artus and Anne. The Van Briggle Pottery Factory is a lesser-known gem in Colorado Springs, but it's definitely worth a visit. Check it out.